Hi, I'm Corey from ID Parts, and in this video I'll be replacing the air filter on a Mercedes-Benz OM651 4-cylinder diesel engine. This will be the same procedure for a GLK250, an ML250, a GLE300d, or an E250 BlueTEC. Changing the air filter is one of the easiest ways to save money. They're always really quick to replace, doesn't take a lot of knowledge, and you can save a boatload by doing it yourself. Let's get into it. We'll begin by removing the engine cover. Turn the front screw 90 degrees and pull towards you to remove the cover. There are 7 total screws that must be removed to access the air filter. 6 of them are on the outside of the filter. These are captive screws, so the screws don't come out, they just loosen to the point where they're no longer connected. One of the screws is located between these 2 wiring looms. It's hard to see, but you can fit your screwdriver in there. You do not need to remove the looms to get to that screw. The 7th screw is actually in the center of the airbox, right in front or right next to the ECU. With all the screws out, you can lift the cover of the airbox out and out of the way and pull the air filter out. This one's pretty dirty. It was way overdue. Here's the new filter. Be sure you have it lined up correctly. That means that the hole with the screw is facing upwards, and that post will fit into the air filter. It requires a fair bit of force to get it seated all the way. If it's not seated, then the screw hole won't be lined up in the center of the air filter. That's really important to double check before you reassemble. Get all 7 screws reattached, and then you're done. That's it. Please subscribe to the channel to be notified as I make new videos. Give me a thumbs up if this was useful to you. Thank you for watching, and take care.